Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to install Sublist3r in your Kali Linux in Android. So first make your terminal update and upgrade. For making terminal update and upgrade, you have to copy this code guys, and copy this code. I given this code and link in my Telegram channel guys, so please view there, copy it and paste in your terminal. Okay, press enter. It will take some minutes in your terminal guys. After that, clone the tool. Okay, clone the tool from here, copy it and paste it here and press enter. Okay, hey guys, it's done now. It's successfully installed. Okay, afterwards cd for the change directory, copy it and paste it here. Okay, found ls cd, you can see from here. Yes, here it is. Copy it, paste it here and clear your terminal. Okay, after that make ls. Guys, if it's not in the executable permission, you can type this one, chmod. Okay, chmod, and copy this one and paste it here. You can give the executable permission. Okay, so this video is only for education purpose guys. So after that, copy the fourth command. It will install the every requirement files of this tool. Yes, the installation is done. After that, it will there is only Python. You have to type Python 3. Okay, because this tool will run in the Python 3. Okay, sorry, Python 3. Afterwards, you can use the subdomains here. Okay, so if you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel guys. I given link in my description. Okay, you can join there and you can see watch my full practical video there. Okay, so thanks for watching guys.